How do I take care of the dirty water tank on my Riccar R70 Smart Mop and Vacuum? Hey, I'm Josh from Riccar, and one of the things that happens when you get done using your R70 vacuum cleaner is you go to put it on the stand. The stand is going to prompt you to clean the dirty water tank.
Start charging. Please clean the dirty water tank to avoid odors.
Okay, so the unit just told us we need to take care of the dirty water tank so things don't get stinky. All right, so one of the things you do is you'll take and you'll pull this top portion off. There is a separator inside the tank. We're gonna just pull the separator up. The separator takes care of our dry debris. Okay, so we're just gonna get rid of all of that. If that's really gunky or gross, you may wanna rinse it off in the sink, but that's the separator that takes care of the dry stuff. The dirty water is now in this tank. So I'm just gonna dump it into this bowl here. Kind of gross. So once you're done dumping this out, you may wanna go rinse it out in the sink. So when you put it back on, everything's nice and clean. So now that we've got the dirty water tank clean, we're almost ready to put the separator in. One helpful tip might be just to use the cleaning brush to check and make sure that there's no hair or gunk in the recovery tank, either from the top or the bottom. Also, there are some handy little picks in this, in case maybe there's some hair hanging out of the unit where the inlet is into the dirty water tank, and you can clean that out as well. Handy little brush, might want to use it. In this case, I don't need to because it wasn't dirty, but now we're ready to put the separator back on. Also, when you've got this here, you can take this out. There is a filter here that you can take care of as well. It is washable, cleanable, and it's just designed to protect things from getting in the wrong places. Once we got the filter back on, we're ready to put the tank back together. You're gonna take your separator, you're gonna put it in. Now, this part here is the top, and you're gonna wanna line up this groove right here with the groove on the post inside of there. This will be towards the front of the machine. Okay, so we've got that in all the way, and that's in. Now that we put the separator back in, we're gonna put the lid back on the recovery tank. There's two legs that are gonna go into those holes. So now that we got the lid on, our dirty water tank is ready to be used again. Happy vacuuming.